It's a winter wonderland in upstate New York. Good morning, YouTube. Let me give you a tour. There's my car covered in snow. And look at that tree. I mean, look at that tree. Crazy. Crazy. My power keeps flickering on and off. The street light just went out. But it looks like we still have power. So the power just went out on that light. But down the road they have power, which is kind of weird. But look at how beautiful this is. Looks like the plow's coming to come plow the road. Look down the street. Absolutely beautiful. So that is the winter storm. We got way more than they said. 7 inches so far. And I have to go to work in an hour. And that keeps blinking. Look. But they haven't even plowed my street, but it looks like they're going to really soon. So I have nothing to worry about. The plow guys are really good, but yeah. Winter Wonderland.